So, hello, ladies. Whatever you feel like. Alright, gotcha. So we got a birdie against an Armika. What happened? So DosSantos was known for his Vega in the past. Also played a little bit of Ken, I think, in the very first Street Fighter V tournament we had at the videogames.lu gaming cafe. So I did not know he was going into Mika, but apparently it's working out for him. Birdie charging up the chains, but to no avail, gets blocked, and the grab goes nowhere. Didn't punish at all, just jumps over him. With a nice little slide in there, gets a knee to the face, and we're stuck in time. He activated his V trigger. Didn't really confirm with the Chun-li. I mean, I know a little bit. I tried a little bit of birdie, and one thing I know, you want to confirm with the Chun-li into good things, into great things, into damaging things, more precisely. But this is a very close round right now. But birdie takes the Stone Cold Stunner. It's not there yet though. What happened? Okay, now he's done. The big man goes down. The blonde bitch takes it. I'm sorry. I mean, look at the dress. Come on, look at the outfit. Jesus. I can't take that seriously. Anyway, going right back with the knee and the butt tackle. Yeah, delicious. Everybody likes that. They got a lot more knees, trying to chop up with the Chun-li, but doesn't get anything. With the headbutt, and it's done. Let's see what DosSantos has in store. A little ring around roses with a tag team partner, and onto the ground we go. 1, 2, 3. No, the match is not over yet. Going right back in with the butt tackle. I will never get tired of saying butt tackle. And she also gets changed up. Hello, what's going on?
I just won 2-0.
You won 2 against 2?
Against
Vincent. Alright, we got Reoxys on board. Vincent. No, you won.
Yep.
2-0. Meanwhile, DosSantos takes the first round. Trying to focus on both things right now. Trying to fucking update the points. Hold on. What? What's up?
I just wanted to ask when Suka's gonna play.
When is Suka gonna play? Let me figure that out in a second after I update the scores. I'm gonna be on it. Okay. So making the switch to Ryu. So Suka. Let's see where Suka's at. He's
No, that cannot be right. Yeah. Oh, it's done though.
He's out. He lost 2 matches.
Oh, okay. I will tell you.
Apparently. What?
He's out.
By the bracket, which is in front of me, apparently he lost. So I don't know. You ask him if he lost 2 matches. If he lost 2 matches, he's out. Okay, so right back in. Switch to Ryu for Jazz. Let's see how it pans out. If he's gonna make or break the Armika. Yeah, that's all right. You lost against Bezek. You know, listen. Hey, first match he lost against Bezek in winners. Then he went to losers, won against Shadow, and apparently then he lost against Alexane, who I don't know who it is. I can't tell you about the Alexane situation, but he needs to know about the other one. Back to the matchup. Ryu taking the butt tackle again while he was charging up his Hadouken. I don't call it Hadouken. There's no ooh in there. Listen to the fucking game. Alright, Armika very happy with the victory. With the peace signs, running around like an idiot.
There's a little mistake there. Alexei and Suka didn't play yet.
Alright, then get Alexei's butt in here and tell him to play. Thank you.
I did.
Thanks. Alright, let's do it. I know what's going on right now. Who's doing the scores? I didn't do it. Alright, so people saying they didn't play. I know what's going on. I take a break for 10 minutes and everything's going to shit. Well done, everybody. I'm just kidding. I mean, whatever. I'm not super salty about it, but it's still kind of annoying. Trying to juggle, updating the scoreboard, the bracket, while commenting this match, while updating this match, and doing all these things. You know, I mean, whatever. We're here. We're doing it. I mean, I'm doing it right now. I mean, DosSantos is in the match right now. Does a taunt and gets punished for it. Get a little bit too ballsy there, sir. Alright. flexing, trying to flex and gets punished. I mean, don't do it. Don't flex. Oh, is he really trying to go for that right now? Is he really trying? He's going, oh, it's gonna hurt. So, I hope it's going to be done with the mic shenanigans, at least unless he wants another round. But I mean, the mic shenanigans is definitely not. I don't see that happening. I'm sorry. Unless your opponent has a heart attack or something, that might be the thing. But he's taking a lot of damage right now. Especially Ryu, definitely paying off for Jazz right now as he takes the round. Hello, on the board for Jazz. 1-1. So, will we see another counter pick though? That's the question I'm asking, man. No, and straight back into the Shadowloo base. What's up?
Not much.
Are they playing right now?
No, I'm not playing.
No, the Alexei and Sita.
They're
Alright, thanks.
A nice cross up from Armin over there. Oh, gets it with the confirm.
Yeah, my throat is kind of hurting, so.
Launcher.
Go in, do it.
No problem,
Bring it. Bring the pain. I mean, I bring the pain.
The stun.
Oh,
the
teabag. The disrespect.
Almost a confirm. Oh, wake up DP from Ryu. Oh!
Wow, tag team partner coming in for the win. Yep. Ouch, goodbye.
Oh, she's happy as fuck right now.
With the peace signs and everything. So, DosSantos on the board.
Oh, another cross up from Armin.
Take the round right here if he wins it, but Jazz putting up a very good fight. Don't sleep. Don't sleep on Ryu, on Jazz's Ryu. Sorry, Ryu's Jazz.
Jazz, yeah, of course. Sorry.
Gets grabbed though with the leg scissors, like fucking. That's I would like that.
It's so good, man. Oh
man, Victor Mate with the butt tackle that gets a wake up DP out of fucking nowhere. It wasn't even a wake up, but anyway.
He has to look out for those wake up DPs though.
The DP's all up in this bitch. Somebody is clapping in the background.
Come on, Jazz, you got this.
Shut up. Alright, so Jazz looking strong right now. Both people. Jazz sitting on V trigger. Where was it?
Very well.
Wow.
No DP.
Well
no DP
played.
for you, sir.
Well played by both men, though.
Wake up DPs all day.
Nicely done. Nicely done, boys.